Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another Hovsco electric scooter. This one's a little different. This is actually a sit-down pedaling bike. So this is like a mini e-bike on a scooter frame. Real cool. As you can see, if you guys are wondering where the battery is at, this is the battery pack right here. So this is actually a folding scooter. I'll show you guys how it folds up, how it can fit inside a trunk or RV bay, compartment bay. I love the fact that it has dual disc brakes on this one. Dual disc brakes. So the wheels are much bigger on this one. You can see the motor right here. So it's real fast. This one actually gets all the way up. I've got it all the way up to 23 miles per hour. That's because of the pedal assist. And when you fold it, everything folds. The compartment right here folds. The seat comes off. You can actually fold the handlebar by pulling this thing. It folds down. You have the same display on this one. Like I told you, dual brakes, front brakes, and back brakes with the headlight. Really nice, big, thick, comfy, adjustable seat. You just pull this lever right here and you can put your seat up and down and lock it in place. Don't worry about getting splashed by water with this thing. It has this nice mud guard front and back, so you shouldn't get splashed by anything. Once you get to the front, you still have your automatic headlights. This headlight will automatically comes on at night and shut off, or you could just push your power button one time and that will turn on the little icon right here showing you that the headlight is now on. Nice bright headlight too. Push it one more, it'll go off. Comes to the display. 2 times goes to medium, 2 times take you to walk mode, medium, back to high. And this is pedal assist. You don't have to use the throttle. Once you start pedaling, it will automatically engage the motor and match your pedaling speed. So it's pretty cool. We're gonna take it for a quick ride and see how fast we can get it. Accelerator actually works. You don't have to push off, you don't have to pedal off. You can just press this and it will start going for you. You have 2 ways of accelerating. You can use your accelerator right here, or you could just start pedaling and it will assist you and just start going. Okay guys, so I'm gonna demonstrate the different speed. So this is walk mode. I'm just gonna use the hand accelerator. So let's see the different speed. No pedal assist, 3 miles per hour all the way. This is in L, 3 miles per hour. Let's put it in medium and $9 miles per hour. Let's go to high. Get all the way up to 18 real quick. With pedal assist, you'll get up to about 20. All right guys, so I got all the scooters lined up. As you can see right there, they all, so you can kind of get a size comparison from the sit-down versions to the stand-up. So let's go through them. First one we have over here, the Hovsco cinch masks. You can kind of see the size. The sit-down are about the same height. The 2 stand-up scooters are about the same, but they're all scooters. All right, so now we're at the RV and I'm going to show you how you can fit this bike inside this compartment. That's the best part about these foldable scooters. You can actually do that. The first thing I usually do is take off my seat. So I'll pull this up If you have to remove your seat, you can remove your seat. In my case, I don't think I need to remove my seat, so I'm going to leave my seat fixed. Your pedals can fold. This pedal actually fold. The way you do it, press it in. So grab over here and the front, press in, fold down. Easy. If you try to just flip it, it won't flip. You have to press it in, fold down. Your stand, you can keep in this situation, or you can put it up. Right here, see that red switch? Pull that forward. Once you pull it forward, pull it out. That unlocks it. Safety lock. Come over here, you just pull this one out. Unlock. Twist this back. Once you start folding, guys, there's a spring on the inside so your wire won't get pinched. Real smart design. Okay guys, so you can see the full folded. This little stand up front that will hold it. So this is underneath the pedal that will hold it up from rubbing. That's the spring I was talking about. Your cables are in here, so once you try to close it, it'll actually pull the wire inside so it does not get pinched. Great design. Now let's try to load it up. So here you go. Look how easy this fits in here. I have my seat on and it just fits so easy. I have even more space to spare on this side. So there you have it, guys. This can easily fit into the trunk of a car. In my case, the RV bay. So it's in here. I can just close this once I get to my location. Everybody can come, open this up, and you have your form of fun and transportation right here. So it does fit inside a compact RV compartment. Real easy to get out too. First thing I do, flip that back. The spring will pull everything back in. Lock this handlebar, pull that up, lock that into. So there you have it, guys. Real simple to store, easy to fold. One person to do it. Get it inside the compartment and out riding. Okay guys, there you have it, the Cinch Max. Guys, thanks for watching my channel. Check the link down in the description for any discounts we have from Gavin's Garage. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.